Risk disclaimer. So with cryptocurrencies, all of them showing red. So what should I do? Should I sell my cryptos or keep it? What should I be doing right now? So two things to be doing right now when it comes to cryptos investing. That's what we're going to be discussing in a minute. Hi, my name is Emmanuel Adigbola, aka the Forex Apostle. They call me the Forex Apostle because I'm a minister of the gospel. I trade Forex market for a living. I disciple order to success in Forex. So I want to welcome you to today's video. So in a second, we are going to be looking into what you should be doing right now. That, okay, the cryptos are down, both Bitcoin and the altcoins, all of them are down. What should you be doing? However, if today is the first time you are zooming by our channel, we say a very big thank you. And all you can just do to support this channel is, come on now, smash that subscribe button, subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have been, coming to our channel but you have not subscribed, come on now, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, subscribe, then smash that bell button so that you will be notified when next we upload new video. So I'm going to give you 5 seconds to do that. I will continue with this video in a second. So looking into coin market cap right now, you will see Bitcoin dominance is 44.9%, and of course Ethereum is 17.6%. So right now Bitcoin is at $38,413. It's okay. It's as long as we did not go, or we don't go below the 20,000 zone, we are still in up movement. Remember, when the curve is going, this is where you got to the high, then you come to the low, high, you can still come down even to the last place you got to, and then continue. So as long as we keep having the higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, we are in the uptrend. Okay, so for Bitcoin to still be $38,000 right now, the bull market is still very much on. And I see Ethereum is 2,445 from $4,000 coming back to this point also is still a good one. Cardano from $2.50 thereabouts to $1.53. So indirectly, almost all cryptos right now like 50% down. Okay, 50% down. So the question now is, okay, what should you be doing? Should you sell off your cryptos? Now let me ask you, if you buy, let's say you buy Tesla shares, or you buy Facebook or Amazon, and you discover that the shares, the stocks is down, will you just chicken out and sell? No. So two things I would recommend you should be doing. But remember, this is educational materials. Okay, this is just for your information. Educational material is not an investment advice in any way. I am not an investment advisor, but this is what I am doing. This is what I will do. I will hold my coins, because no matter where they are right now, they still going to bounce back. They're going to definitely bounce back. Let me show you. This is my, right now let me show you my personal portfolio. Actually, crypto, like right now I don't have much Bitcoin. As I've said before, I trade with my Bitcoin. I normally trade with my Bitcoin. So what I have is just $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. That is 0.02. So I don't even have up to 1 Bitcoin as a person. I don't even have up to 0.5. I trade with my Bitcoin. But others that I have, like for instance, my Ethereum Ethereum has, where's my portfolio? Ethereum occupied 84.8 of my portfolio. And of course, something is coming this July. I hope you know. We are waiting for Ethereum 2.0. I can't wait for July to come. So I'm not selling anything. And I mean, as I said, this is what I would do. Okay, depends on you. You're free to do whatever you want to do. So like my YFI Young Finance, right now is just 3.7 of my portfolio. So it went to almost $92,000. Then it came back to 41,000 right now. So you can see the last 24 hours has been so awesome. Now we're having a gain. My Litecoin is 2.99 of my portfolio. Cardano is my 2.08. Then I have some Cardano in another platform actually. So Chainlink, I see 1.34. So you can see all of them right now. I mean, last 24 hours has been so awesome. So what I would do, two things. Number one, relax. Just go about doing your normal activities. Go on that vacation you have always waited. Trusting God to do. Play with your kids, work on that project, study that materials. Just go about doing your normal thing. Forget that you have cryptos investing. Okay, forget that you have cryptos investment somewhere and let it just do what it will do, because it will surely come back. Okay, it will surely come back. If you sell off right now, you will lose big time, because when we talk about cryptocurrency, it's not just about cryptocurrency, it's about blockchain technology. Blockchain technology has come to stay, just like the internet came and stayed. Blockchain technology has come to stay. If you chicken out right now and you sell off your coin, in the next 2-3 months, you go look back and you go bite your finger, say, wow, I wish I had onto it. Okay, so number one thing is what? Just go about your normal activities. Don't let your blood pressure rise beyond normal. And that is why we always say that make sure you do not invest money you cannot afford to lose. Then second thing, if you have money, if you have extra money, this is the best time to buy back. This is the best time. You missed Bitcoin when Bitcoin was 60,000. Now it's at $38,000. So it's an opportunity for you to buy. Ethereum, you missed Ethereum when Ethereum was $4,000. Now Ethereum is 2,000 plus. It's an opportunity to buy back. So what I will be doing, if I had extra money, I will buy more, increase my position. That is exactly what I will do. So number one, I will go about my normal activities. Number two, I will buy back, because definitely we are still in the bull market. We are not in the cryptos winters yet. We are not in cryptos winter yet. We are not there. Okay, I hope you will listen and just do what you are led to do. As I said, do you, I do me. You do you, I do me. But remember, when it comes to investment, it's not a short-term thing. You have to have a lion's heart to be able to play in the pool of investment, and you don't want to be a casualty of investing world of cryptos. So make sure, number one, you do not invest money you cannot afford to lose, and if you have extra money, it's a good time to buy back, because now you buy the dip, and of course you're going to be selling at the top. Okay, I hope you got something from today's video. If you did, please do me a favor, smash that subscribe button, like this video, share this video with somebody, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and come on, show us some favor. Just keep promoting this video. The Lord bless you, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.